In this video, I'm going to show you 10 quick tips how to write a blog post for a beginner. And make sure you watch till the end because number 7 and 10 is very important. And I have a bonus for you. I have 3 bonus for you, not 1 but 3. So make sure you watch till the end so that you will know how to write a high quality blog post for your readers. So if this is the first time that we are meeting, hi, my name is Usman. I make videos like this and I help little businesses grow. So if this is your first time, then consider subscribing and join my community so that you don't miss a content like this. So without wasting much time, we start right now. Now the first one I have for you is to pick a niche. Of course, you have to pick a niche. You have to know your audience. Now, how to pick a niche? Now, you have to look for the things that you're passionate about. For example, let's say you are into football. You can talk about football. And let's say you're passionate about health, diet, fitness. You can talk about these things, but make sure you pick a niche when you are starting because you don't want to be everywhere. Let's say you talk about fitness today, tomorrow you talk about football, the other day you talk about fishing, you talk about diet. No, it does not work like that. Make sure you pick a niche, an audience who may interested in reading your content, because if you are all over the place, so you confuse the reader, at the same time you confuse the algorithm. So please make sure you pick a niche. Now the second is do a research. Of course, you have to do a research before you write a blog post. You know, you have to know if the keywords you are going after, people are interested in the keywords. So I have made a ton of videos how to do keyword research. I will leave them on the card here. You can check them later, but make sure you watch this video till the end. And you look your competitors. Let's say you are in the football niche. Now your competitor might be goal.com and livescores.com. So you can go and look what exactly they are writing and what exactly is working for them, and you write similar. I don't say you should just go and copy what they are doing and paste it. No, make sure you look your competitor, what keyword they are ranking for, how many words they are putting into their content, and you do the same thing. That's why it's good to do a research. So make sure you do a research before even you write a blog post. Now the third one is write a compelling headlines. Of course, how to write a compelling headlines. Make sure you do A/B testing. When you are about to publish a blog post, make sure that you test your headlines and write a eye-grabbing headline. You know, 2 out of 10 people may read your headline, but only 2% will click and read the rest of your content. So make sure your headline is eye-catching and grabbing. So how to do it? You can use a plugin called RankMath if you are running in a WordPress. So by using RankMath will help you generate compelling headlines or good clickable headlines. You can go to the right hand corner of the software and you test, but make sure you target a headlines above 60. Make your headlines a capital letter, and also you invoke a curiosity in your content. For example, you say 10 ways to prepare a food. Now the number 8 will shock you, like the way I did in my intro here. So use that same tactics in your content. Invoke curiosities. Number 4 is to add a sub-headlines. After using your first headline, you have to also add a sub-headlines in your content. So by adding sub-headlines, you will skim your content and make it clear for your reader. Your first headline should be H1, then your other headlines you use H2. Now the 5th is make your paragraphs very short. For example, make your paragraph like 2 to 3 line long, and you jump to the other side also, because if you make your paragraph like this, then nobody wants to read like that. You know, you don't have to make it very difficult for your reader. That's why you have to use a short paragraph like this, not this, because if you make it like this, then someone might find it very difficult to read, and the people's attention is very short now. So make sure you make your paragraph very short so that when somebody read, they can understand and go to the other paragraph easily, so that you don't overwhelm them with a lot of content, a lot of long paragraph. Make your paragraph very short. Now number 6 is to use a bullet. By using a bullet, you will make your content skimmable and easier to read. The more you make your content more easier to read, the better, because if someone can click on your content and read, let's say you are talking about like a top 10 or top 50, and you are putting it in a bullet number 1, then maybe you have another subheading, you can put a bullet or a star or just a mark, so that you can make the reader understand, hey, this is number 1, this is number 2, number 3. So by that way, you keep them long in your content. So make sure you use bullet in your content so that you can make it very easy for your reader. Now number 7 is to optimize for the SEO, that is the search engine optimization. You know, you optimize the title tags, you include relevant keywords in your URL, you optimize your image. For example, let's say you are targeting a keyword of like backlinks. Make sure you put that backlinks in your URL and you put it in your title, in your first image. I've already made a video about it, so you can click on the card here and watch it as well. So, and also you write a compelling meta description. So by that way, you are optimizing for SEO. You are telling Google, hey, I'm targeting this keyword, because you don't just have to throw a keyword like that without putting it in the right place, in your title tag, in your meta description, in your URL, in your image. So make sure you optimize for SEO. Number 8 is to write a good intro. Of course, you have to write a eye-catching intro also, just like the headline, because if your intro is sucks, then nobody click and read the rest of your content. Make sure you have a eye-grabbing intro and have a eye-grabbing title. Make sure you invoke curiosity in your intro so that someone may read the rest of your content. But note, don't just invoke curiosity without doing it. Make sure if you are invoking curiosity in your content, make sure that you fulfill your promise. Because if you write, hey, do this, do that, and without producing a good result, then guess what? The reader may not come back again. So make sure you fulfill all the things that you said in your intro and in your title. Now number 9 is add image, videos, and infographic. By adding image, video, and infographic, you will increase a dwell time. And when you increase dwell time, Google will rank your content higher. So you put videos. Even if, let's say, you don't have the video, you can embed someone's YouTube video and you put them in your content. And quick tips, also quick bonus, make sure when you embed someone's video, make them know it that you put their video, so they may likely to share your content also. You understand? So it's win for them and also win for you. When you put a infographic also, it will increase, because it will make the reader read and look the graph, also the image. So these all will help you rank better on Google. So make sure you use image, infographic, and videos in your content. Now the last but not the least, the number 10 is add call to action to your conclusion. Of course, you see, you cannot just write a content and put it on Google just like that. Make sure you put a call to action. Call to action might be, let's say you are running an e-commerce, you link them to buy your product, to buy your book, to buy a lot of things. Or if you want like a comment, you can say, oh, I hope you like this content, so do me a favor, just leave a comment in the section below. Whatever your call to action is, make sure you hook them. So here you go. This is the 10 quick tips how to write a eye-catching blog post if you are just starting, even if you are not. So for staying with me till the end, I told you that I have a bonus for you. Of course, 3 bonus I'm going to show you. 1, make sure you use push notification. When someone in your blog post, they can just subscribe by just one click, so that when you release a content, they can get the notification. Hey, there is a new post. Just like the YouTube, when you subscribe to the YouTube, you can get the post notifications. The second bonus that I have for you is to write for the people. Of course, you have to write for the people first before you write for the algorithm. Now, the third tips that I have for you is use free softwares. You can use software like Grammarly. I have another software called Hemingway app. This Hemingway app will structure your content and make your content readable for each and everyone. Just by using Grammarly and Hemingway app, you will be a good writer by just using these two softwares. So use Grammarly and Hemingway app to write a better content, so that you can make it very easy for your reader. But wait, before you click off this video, I have something to say. Like some YouTubers, even me, they say, oh, now you have make it to the end, now click on this subscribe button, turn on the post notification. No, I just want to say thank you very much for staying till the end, and I hope you get a wonderful day. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Salute.